welcome back to Fun with William. I haven't done a video in a while, so today we are going to do a video, so that changes. So today our special drawing video is going to be 3 different Mr. Men: Mr. Sneeze, Mr. Nosy and Mr. Rude. So let's get into this. First, we're going to do a spike like that for Mr. Sneeze. And then we're going to do a spike like that, then that, then that, and then we do one like that, and then it goes down like that, and then we curve a long line down. I'll give you some time. Okay, another line, then another line, and then we just do that, and then we do that. And then let's just repeat it on this side, so like you guys know what to do now, don't you? Because you should be following along if you're good already. So now let's do some eyes. They're very wide and awake, aren't they, on Mr. Sneeze? So let's just go like that, and then a massive nose. But next we colour it in. So I'm going to say if these colours work, if these ones will be good, or this one looks perfect. So let's just, oh, it does look perfect indeed. Very good. So guys, I'm just going to finish off colouring while you put the camera on Rosie. So let's go, camera on Rosie. Rosie, say a word. What are you doing?
Hello. Hello, guys.
What are you drawing?
A heart.
What colour?
The rainbow colour.
There we go. Okay, so guys, I am just, finishing off Mr. Sneeze. Alright, pause the video. So guys, now we're drawing Mr. Nosy. I don't know if you've heard of him, but yeah, so that's who we're drawing. So we're going to go like that, and then a big long line. As you can see, this bit isn't so long because we're going to curve up and go further. We're going to go down, we're going to go around, back, up, bang, a bit forwarder, and that. And then we've got to do like that, and then come down, then curve to make the foot, back up. We need to do a straight line now, up, and I need to just go like that to connect, and a circle. And now we'll draw the hand. So like that, and then like that. Draw 3 lines that connect. Okay, that outline's done, but what will be good for colouring?
I don't know what to do.
So guys, we're over halfway done. Now it's the funny bit. It's the long nose. I hope you guys are copying this, otherwise there's like no point in watching the video. And also there's no point in watching my channel if you don't smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, you might not be allowed to carry on doing the drawings. So hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And always check out for new videos every weekend, because you don't know, there might be one. So yeah, do that. Hello guys, we're back. And for the third drawing, let's just draw the arms of somebody. And that somebody is Mr. Rude. Very rude, Mr. Rude. But at the end, we are going to be doing a special drawing. Okay? Cool. So bang, bang, and a thumb. That is perfect. So now we need to curve up and then down to about there. But first we're going to do a hat. A very big hat for me because I have a lot of room on this big piece of paper. Yeah, it's a very big piece of paper. Like, let's just do this again. Oh, and I forgot we need to do that there. Now, so let's just go back and let's just go like that. And the legs are pretty close together. So we're just going to do down like that. Bank and bank and up and yeah, a line like that. Now for Mr. Rude's eyes, we gotta go like that and then just do the same on the other side. It's pretty simple. And then a massive nose and a mouth like that. Now we're ready to colour Mr. Rude in. Now I need a red, so that will be pretty. You know what? I'm going to use this red. These crayons are very good. So I'm colouring in Mr. Rude, guys. Rosie didn't have very good colours, so I'll let her use one of my sets. Rosie, showing the guys the set that I've let her use. It's actually not one of my best. But yeah, she can still have it.
Maybe.
Okay, now we're doing the arms.
I can see a purple in there.
Okay, Rosie. So we're just colouring in Mr. Rude, guys. Guys, subscribe. I think we're on 29 subscribers. We might have just got to 30. I'm not sure. But the last time we checked, it was 29. We want to get to 50. Unfortunately, we didn't get the goal. So, yeah. So no challenge, sadly. But anyway, let's just carry on with the video. Oh, now I'm going to use one of my special brush pen type things for the nose. Just because that's the colour it is, basically. Then the mouth is pure black. Yeah, pure black. So let's just get a black out here, guys. So this is the black. Looks like a very good black as well. We'll colour in the mouth and we'll colour in the hat. Like so. Oh, I think accidentally went outside the line. Yeah. Mr. Rude's done, guys. Left. There's an all left. I'm very silly. I'm very silly, guys. Because there's an arm left and we want to colour that in. And then after that we'll just go here. So guys, we figured out what to do. And this is basically a thank you for all of you for subscribing. So like, yeah, so let's get into it. To start, I'm going to do a gold circle. Yeah, these golds are kind of running out. Well, they're running out a lot, I mean. Remember that book I showed you full of gold drawings? Yeah, that's full of those. Full of that gold. These golds, guys. Full of it. So I'm kind of just going to draw a little gold circle up at the top. Just get this. So out to finish it. Line, line, line.
It's a little messy.
And then we draw a tiny sun, but let's get into it. So let's just get some black first, guys. So brown. on.
Okay.
I wish I could just do it on the first round. The black was right there. Are you serious? So we're gonna just get a turf down. And then, yeah, colour it in. Can anybody guess what we're doing? No? It's to do with, like, viewers and all that. Okay, I'm doing this word. Can anybody guess what it's spelling? I bet loads of you can guess now. Loads of you are probably going to guess right now. One spelling. Yes, it does have the word thank in, as you can see. Now, let me just switch to a different colour that I kind of want to use, like this will be good. Just need to tire that out a bit. Now everybody probably knows the second word that I'm spelling as well.
T.
No, Rosie, it's a Y. Yeah. Rosie's only in reception, well she only just joined reception. I've been in year 4 for a few weeks. She's been in reception for a few weeks. Yeah, so there's a big age difference there, as you can see. I was about to draw a H then, guys. You guys all know what I'm spelling properly. Yeah, it's easy now, because there's one letter left. That's a clue if you're puzzled. Okay, there we go. A wonderful message to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Now we're going to draw a big sun. So like a big one. Down here. Because I really appreciate you subbing to my channel. So carry it on. I want to hit 50 soon. Hopefully we do. We're doing really well. Right, so wrong colour. It was this one. For some reason all the colours that look gold aren't gold. So we're doing some a sun I've done, guys. I'm gonna like change the colour of the petals of the things up. I'm gonna get these two out as well. Might also use this. So let's carry on. I'm gonna do all these ones first.
I'm done.
We're doing really good progress here, guys. Just take a look. Wow. This is a special one for you. Hopefully you appreciate it, guys.
Great.
Guys, I'm done with the drawing. This is the result. This is the result from Mr. Rude, Mr. Nosy, and Mr. Sneeze. Hope you enjoyed. So guys, remember this drawing was for you. I really love this drawing and I really love you guys. Thanks for subscribing. Me out.